Welcome back to our SQL tutorial series. In today's video, we are going to dive deep into the fundamental SQL operation, the select query. This query is like the Swiss Army knife of SQL, allowing us to retrieve, filter, and manipulate data from our database. So, let's get started. Understanding the select query. Before we jump into writing code, let's understand the select query. It's used to fetch data from a database table. The basic syntax looks like this. As you can see, we start with the select keyword followed by a list of columns we want to retrieve. Then, we use the from keyword to specify the table we are querying. You can also use the where clause to filter the results based on certain conditions. Retrieving all columns. Let's start with a simple example. Suppose we have a table named Employees with columns Employee ID, last name, first name, title, etc. We want to retrieve all the columns for all employees. Here is the query, select asterisk from employees. The asterisk is a wildcard that means all columns. This query fetches all rows and columns from the employees table. Retrieving specific columns. Often, we don't need all columns, we just want specific ones. Let's say we only want the first names and last names of employees. Here is how you do it. The query select employee ID, first name, last name, title from employees fetches only the employee ID, last name, first name and title columns. This can help reduce data transfer and enhance performance. Adding conditions with where. The where clause allows us to filter rows based on conditions. Let's find employees whose title is IT staff. This is the syntax. The query select employee ID, first name, last name from employees where title is equal to IT staff filters out employees who works as IT staff. Sorting data with order by. Now, what if we want to sort the results? The order by clause comes to the rescue. In this query, select employee ID, first name, last name from employees where title is equal to IT staff order by last name. We are sorting the results by last name in ascending order, which is the default. If we want to sort by descending order, we need to add DESC. As we are doing, here we are sorting the result by employee ID in descending order. Limiting results with limit. Sometimes we only need a specific number of results. Enter the limit clause. This query, select employee ID, first name, last name from employees limit 3, retrieves only the first 3 rows from the result set. Conclusion. And there you have it. The select query is a powerful tool for retrieving data from your database. We covered fetching all columns, specific columns, filtering with where, sorting with order by, and limiting with limit. Practice these concepts, and you will be well on your way to mastering SQL queries. Thanks for tuning into this tutorial. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more SQL tutorials. Happy querying!